Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can blur images and photos and pictures you add to your websites on Wix in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your website project here in the Wix website editor or web editor. Add the given image, for example, through the Add Elements button at the top left and through the image menu here. For example, upload it from your device by using this option here, or import it from Instagram, Google Drive, Google Photos, and so on and so forth. So once your image has been positioned, let me just resize it a bit and position it here. What you want to do is right click into it, and from that menu, what you want to do is select filters. And here guys, what you want to do is choose a filter. None will be set the image to default settings, but you can go also with the blurring effect here. Click into it. And after that, you will see the blurring here. And that's basically it. You can go with other filters, for example. And you can also customize some of these filters even more. For example, by clicking into, let me just show it to you again, by selecting it with your left mouse and selecting Edit Image. And here you will see various filters, adjustments here, for example, the sharpness, for instance. So you can increase the blurring intensity by moving the sharpness slider to the very left. Or yeah, that's the two ways how you can blur images here on Wix. If you'd like to reset the original, click into this button or undo, or save it to make that effect, to apply the effect. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.